In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use the point cloud comparison tool in MetaCam Studio. It allows you quickly cross-reference two datasets to visualize their differences. From the Start screen, click Compare Point Cloud, then use the drop-down buttons to import your two-point cloud files. Click Confirm. Once loaded, the interface automatically splits into a synchronized dual-screen view, with Window 1 on the left and Window 2 on the right. The two windows are linked by default. In this mode, any panning, rotating, or zooming in either window is instantly mirrored in the other, ensuring both datasets remain perfectly aligned. Click the blue icon to unlink the viewports if you need to adjust and inspect either side independently. To exit the tool, simply click the close icon of either viewport. To track changes in the same scene over time, you can also compare aligned point cloud datasets within a single window. Click Open File to import both files. We recommend setting the point size type to adaptive for both. Focus the camera on your target area, then use the visibility toggles in the left layer panel to switch between them and instantly spot differences.